Hello friends, welcome to CS Aspirants. Today we will discuss about something about sociology. Uh, in your first unit, first chapter of sociology, there is a topic called sociology is a science or not. When we claim that sociology is a science, so we have to give argument like the sociologists they are maintaining objectivity and there is a purpose of theory building and the data are quantifiable, right? So when we claim all this, W.F. Ogburn he said that when we say that sociology is a science, it should qualify these three criteria that these are reliability of knowledge, organization of knowledge, and methods used. First one is reliability of knowledge. That knowledge should be reliable, means it should not be a case of exception, right? When we are getting the same result time and again after conducting the study, we will say that that knowledge is very much reliable. So we can rely on that particular fact, right? The second one is organization of knowledge. As you can understand that as sociologists, they want to build a theory. So for that purpose, the data or the knowledge should be organized very thoroughly, right? So in sociology, there is an organization of knowledge. The third one is methods used. So there are certain methods. For example, if you want to prove or test a hypothesis, for that matter, you need to collect data. Then you have to study it thoroughly. That maybe you are using the questionnaire method or interview method, or maybe you are doing the case study, or maybe you are doing the field study, or maybe you are studying the text like endology, right? So through all this, but that means you are using a method and you are reaching at a conclusion, right? So these three, when these three criterias are fulfilled, so we can call that this is a science, right? So I have a keyword for this or maybe a short trick, that is OMR. As you are very much acquainted with this in your prelim, that is optical mark recognition. So I thought that it will be easy for you to remember that you just recall this, that O for organization of knowledge, and aim for methods used, and R for reliability of knowledge. In your exam hall, that you need to recall this and just write that, right? And W.F. Ogburn, he said that sociology is a science when it is qualifying on these three criteria. Or reliability of knowledge, we can say that maybe Durkheim's theory of suicide, or maybe Karl Marx's theory of historical materialism. There are reliability of knowledge, so we can rely on that particular knowledge, right? Organization of knowledge means when we are studying about social fact of Durkheim, or maybe Protestant ethics or spirit of capitalism, then here the knowledge is very much organized and the facts are very much organized, right? The third one is methods used, and this is very easy to understand that in each and every research they have used certain kind of method to draw the conclusion, right? So that means if these three criteria are being fulfilled, we can call it a science, right? So this much is for today. Thank you.